Hello, good morning to all of you. All are welcome for my general safety awareness class. So last so many days I was giving you a continuous education and training program on general safety. This already I have given you 9 video and today I am going to give you 10th video. So before going to the today's class, let us have a just overview of all the video for a not small way, not in higher way. Okay, let us understand what is the first video. Then the safety. What is a safety? What is a safety? Safety is a freedom from any dangerous condition. Then next class, what are the areas of safety? In every area safety is applicable. There is no any area without safety. That also you know it. Then a third class is how safety can be implemented. There are 5 steps I had told you. These are the basic 5 steps. One is educational training. Second is engineering control. Third is enforcement of rules. And fourth one is we had to create an enthusiastic mentality among the people. And fifth one is evaluation. These are the things I had told you. Then what is hazards and risk? Hazards means anything which can get harmful to us. There are so many hazards we can see everywhere. And risk is the consequence of the hazards that I had told you. Next one is what is HSC? Health, Safety, Environment. This is the meaning of HSC. Health is also very important like safety, and similarly that environment protection is also very much required. So that's why nowadays HSC, not only just safety, HSC is considering as one of the main department, many organization. Next I have told you what is the safety rules. There are several type of safety rules are available, so that we have to follow. Next, what is the difference between safety and security? By seeing the things, both the words are similar, and many people are misunderstanding to use safety in place of security and security in place of safety. Secure safety means the protection against an accident. Similarly, security means man-made incidents are there. So protection against that man-made incidents. Now, next one is what is a safety and first aid? Safety person must know the basic knowledge of the first aid. Because safety is a proactive approach. That means we don't want to take an accident, so that action we are taking. Whereas a first aid is a reactive action. Once the accidents has taken happen, then what are the things we have to take? That first aid, that's why the first aid is very important for a safety person. Next, I asked you how safety and welfare is correlated. In order to get a good safety culture, the people should have some type of welfare activity should be there. That also I explained. There are the mainly 3 government rules are there. One is Factory Act 1948, then ESA Act, then also I have explained the Workman Compensation Act, then General Insurance Scheme. Like this way I have explained. Now coming to the fourth, the fifth last class is this: how we can achieve overall safety. Overall safety we have to achieve for any organization. For that we have to have some first basic knowledge of some safety science. Many places some type of safety science are there. The basic idea you must have it. Generally it can be divided into 4 categories. What are the 4 categories? One is prohibitory rules, prohibitory signs. That is normally in a red color with cross. You might have seen it. There's no smoking, no entry. Like this type of color. That red circle or this thing is there, and the red band crossing is there. Then it has written no smoking or no entry. Such type of signs are not a prohibitory class. Prohibitory. Then mandatory signs are there. Mandatory means that we have to follow that one. This most of the PPEs. PPE means personal protective equipment. Those who are wearing, that symbols and other things are showing in this type of a color. That is blue color. Blue color with white background also. That is showing there. That is helmet, safety helmet, and like this PP, another type of gloves, shoes, etc. These are mandatory type of sign. That blue color is the main background. Next one is a warning signs. Warning sign. Warning for for example, high voltage is there. How we are indication? There's a triangle is there. Some yellow color will be there backside, and that high voltage symbol or inflammable material symbol. Such type of thing is known as a warning type of a sign. Warning type signs we are provided in the safety thing. Then another condition is a safe condition. Whatever we are having a safe condition, that is showing how they are showing. That is a green color is there, green rectangle or a green square. Example for this just a first aid box or a fire safety entry. These colors are used. So these are the 4 type of signs you have to have some idea. So one is called prohibitory sign, that is a red color, mainly with cross circle and red color cross is there. Next one is a mandatory. Mandatory is a blue color is there and white background with mainly for the PPs and other thing. Next one is a caution, that is a triangular with a yellow background, mainly for caution, or we can say that a warning type of a signal. Next one is a greens condition, that's showing in a rectangular or a square. This is for the safe conditions for the thing. For example, first aid box or any fire exit like this way. So these are some of the signs which are normally available for the safety identification. In addition to that, there are some other time all the fire extinguishers are red color. That also you must know it. Then another one is there's some type of KOSHA, that is chemical operators. They are using some type of a diamond color, some type of symbols are there. That is for chemical handling signature. That I have not covered here. There are several classes are there. Then traffic signs are also there. That also I have not covered. So these are whatever I have just covered is only a general safety sign for everybody, for just knowledge of this. Now we have learned so many things, and with this basic knowledge, I think we all of have got some general safety idea. Whatever we are going to learn this general safety only just an introductory classes only. There's a lot of scope for safety. That we are maybe working in any area, they can get an employment. Not only an employment, their work they can do in a safe way, so they can use a better life. So that's why the safety is very, very important in all places and all people. So those who are interested for the further getting knowledge for the safety, for industrial safety or fire safety or electrical safety, I have planned to give such type of continuous education. I have already given this education in my Malayalam channel. Those who are interested, they can see it also. But large people has to be get knowledge, so I am planning to give it in English also. So my request is there. This is just freely class I am giving. Whatever knowledge I gain, I just want to share to everybody. That's why I'm just telling to everybody, you see all this channel and get some safety knowledge and live happily and work happily. And whatever the job we are doing, the safety is a very, very good job, because we are saving the life, others' life, and saving the property. On that point of view also, it is a very good job, white collar job, not any type of labor type of job. So you can choose your own job in any area and then compare with any other type of job. Very good categories are there. So I'm not going to tell any more thing about the safety. I want to thank you everybody for watching my videos for safety. And also I request everybody, if you are liking this video, please share it and subscribe it so that others can also see it. All the best wishes, and wishing all of you a happy and healthy and safe day, a good day, that is called. Okay, thank you everybody.